Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with both clips in your project so you can composite immediately. Place the clip with the black background above the layer you want to show through and select it. Once selected, open the inspector so you can access compositing controls and effects. Make sure the playhead is over the clip so adjustments preview in real time. This first step readies everything for keying. You need the clip stacked and the inspector visible before you apply any filters or blend modes. You'll now remove the black by applying the keyer effect. Drag keyer onto the foreground clip and use the eyedropper to sample the darkest area of the background. Once the key is applied, refine parameters. Increase strength to remove lingering darks, adjust shrink/expand to tighten edges, and use fill holes to fix missing pixels. If shadows remain, tweak color controls or add a secondary keyer. Make small changes and scrub the timeline to verify the composite holds across motion and exposure shifts. Once you've cleaned the key, try changing the foreground clip's blend mode to screen or add if darker remnants persist. This sometimes yields a cleaner result. Render the section to confirm playback and inspect color spill along edges. Reduce spill with color wheels or hue/saturation adjustments. If the black background still causes artifacts, create a mask around the subject and animate it as needed, or use a secondary keyer for stubborn zones. If nothing helps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.